the third course we are attending, me and my wife. And Yasin, I just want to congratulate you. You are doing a fantastic job. Why? Because it is all spick and span, all on time. The thing starts on time, ends on time. We can respect our other schedules as well. And at the outset, I wish to thank Dr. Mala Sibal. Dr. Mala, many congratulations and many thank yous to you. You have been extraordinary. Dr. Ali Yusuf, you've been fine. I wish to thank Dr. Tracy Fox. You've been very crisp, speak just like how it should be. And Dr. Meager was very nice. Dr. Meenu has, as always, been very practical. And I want to have a word about Dr. Lakshmi. Dr. Lakshmi, your first lecture was okay, but then the subsequent lectures were excellent. Very, very practical, very wonderful. So we have enriched ourselves, and this has been a wonderful course for us. And
I want to thank Ali Yusuf for Livator NI video, and it was excellent. And I want to thank Mala and Tracy and all the teachers who have taught us so well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Yasin. You